In today's topic, I am going to walk through 4 unique inspirational websites for UX and UI designer. Let's get started. Hello all, I am Rambal from Aspira. Happy to see you again. Basically, these websites are curating the unique perspective of the design and it's showcasing on their website for an inspirational purpose. So I'm going to walk through one by one. The first website is empty states. So this website is collecting or curating the different kind of empty states from various websites and mobile applications. So this is a website. So there are n number of empty states. So empty states are basically speaking, it's encouraging the user to initiate that task or performing the task. So this is one of the important state in UI design. So it's one among the 7 UI states. So here I am showcasing the mobile applications, and in this there is an option called mobile and desktop, and specifically for iOS as well as Android. So if you want to do anything on very specific perspective, you can be able to use. Or else you can click the latest and you can see all the latest empty states. So how other people are handling the empty states. So you can be able to have a look on it, and you can be able to, or you can plan to design for your project. The second website is auto interface. So this website is collecting various auto infotainment screens and it's been categorized and it's been listed here. This is Kia Motors Sorento. That infotainment, they are showcasing various aspects, and currently they are showcasing for navigation system and other stuff. And here in the left hand side, there is a lot of categories. One is a comfort, connectivity, driver assistance. So if you are clicking on the comfort, it will be showing for steering wheel settings, climatic conditions or climatic settings, or So these all they are showcasing to you. And smartphone integrations, driver assistance. So this is from the Lexus. So various cars and navigation system. Power interfaces. If you are planning to design any automotive design, this kind of an infotainment, then you can use this website. And in various aspects, the designs they are collecting and they are showcasing here, and you can get inspired and you can do your design. Right, for that you can use either Android Auto or Alexa. So they are having the framework, and Android Auto is a very pretty simple and straightforward. Most of the EV vehicles are using this kind of a Android Auto platform. So being an UX and UI designer, you do not stick with only Bootstrap or material design. You have to go beyond that and explore a few more interfaces or a few more grid systems and frameworks, something like Android Auto or Alexa. Alright. So my next website is Find Design Example. So this is one of the site where you can be able to search and you can find the design from the best startup companies across the globe, or you can be able to simply click here for a blog spot or whatever blog post. So this is a sample for car designs, and you can type also, for example, country selections. So it's showcasing the different kind of country selection option, that list menu in the UI element. So you can plan accordingly, whichever is very convenient, easy to use, so that you can have as a reference. So based on this reference, you can be able to do your design. Alright, so this is, you can find design inspiration, and also they do have a typography, learning pages. So for various aspects of inspirations also they do have, but predominantly they are focusing on, you can find the design examples in terms of UI design examples from this website. The fourth one is a Hudson Guys. So here they are collecting the futuristic interfaces design, and they are keeping it as a showcase in this website. Alright, so this is a website, Hudson Guys. So Guys is nothing but is a graphic user interfaces. So here they are showcasing the futuristic design. Prototype, Aspira EV prototype. Right, so this is an electric vehicle. So here they are showcasing the prototype. They are showcasing the entire interfaces and the product design, right? So in various aspects. So everything it should be related to the futuristic concept. So not into the current concept, it should be the futuristic concept. Alright, so today I was showcasing about almost 4 different websites. Those all are very unique in my perspective. And if you know anything, these kind of a very unique websites, please refer to me in the comment section. We will be discussing anything on the comment section, and I'll share all these links in the description area. You can go and check it out. And also my recommendation, you can explore, and if you like this topic and if you think this will be helpful to any one of your friend circles, please share it to them, and keep explore and keep learning. I will catch you soon with another interesting topic. Until then, bye bye.